In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage linked account permissions in Chrome to disconnect and reconnect a cloud backup service. First, open Google Chrome on your device. The reason we're using Chrome is that some account connection settings and cloud backup permissions are easier to access and manage through a browser than directly inside an app. Once Chrome is open, go to the website for the cloud backup or account service you use, such as the platform connected to your game or app settings. When you find the correct page, bookmark it in Chrome so you can return to it quickly later. This is helpful because if you ever need to manage the connection again, you won't have to search for the page from scratch. Next, sign in to the account that is linked to your app or game progress. Make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles or sign in on more than one device. After you're logged in, look for the section where connected apps, linked services, or account permissions are managed. The exact wording may be a little different depending on the service, but the goal is to find the page that shows which apps currently have access to your account. Once you're there, find the app connection you want to manage. If you need to temporarily break the link, use the browser settings or account permissions page to disconnect or remove that app's access. This is usually done by selecting the app and confirming that you want to revoke permission. Be careful during this step and read the prompts closely so you only disconnect the intended app. Temporarily removing the connection can be useful when you need the app to stop syncing with the current cloud backup state. After that, when you're ready to restore the previous progress state, return to Chrome and visit the bookmarked account or backup page again if needed. Then open the app or service and reconnect it through Chrome using the same linked account. This reestablishes the connection and allows the app to access the previously stored cloud progress again. If the restored state does not appear immediately, give it a moment to sync and make sure you are signed back into the same account you used before. That's the full process. By bookmarking the right page in Chrome, managing linked permissions carefully, and reconnecting through the browser when needed, you can control how your cloud backup connection behaves and make the process much easier to repeat in the future.